Anju, and I'm here to share an experience with all of you. So, I have been going through a lot of emptiness and a lot of lonely feeling for many years, and I have done so many modalities of programs and yoga, meditations, and healings. Somehow, this feeling just doesn't go. And it was stopping me everywhere from creating a relationships, going ahead in career, and many other places. I could not connect with people. And then I came across Geet and his program called Heal Your Life, which is based on a book called You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. It was a 10 call series, and in that program, I discovered this hollowness, this emptiness which was there, which was not getting filled with anything. And I discovered the source of it. And I discovered myself. It was an amazing journey. The person who started the course was not the one who ended, And there was this mirror series in it where I could confront my fears and I could, relate to where the source of this emptiness was. And when I took care of it, it just left. Sometime by habit, I might go back to it, but it's so easy to catch it and just come back to it. I think this was the best investment I have done. And the time that I have given to myself to heal, it has not only impacted me, but my brother, my mother, my friends, and many other people who were in close touch with me, because I found myself, they could find themselves. It's an amazing program. I would recommend this to everyone. It's like a must you should do, So I just want to share this with you. Thank you.